Alright, YouTube. Got a fun one for you guys today. I got these headlights right here, specifically for that Mustang. And I also have the ring, because I know this one is not OEM. First you take out this screw. Everything's a Phillips head screw, by the way. Then this screw. And finally, this one. Once all screws are loose, this should come off easily. Then we're looking at this lens. Let me show you the difference of why theirs didn't work. This only has one little tiny hole. This one has a much larger hole. And it wasn't sitting properly to where it was supposed to be originally 3 tabs, but only one of them survived because there's no other tabs around this entire ring. Pulling out the bulb, you immediately see the wiring harness that attaches, the clip that attaches to the light bulb. All you have to do is pull that apart. You grab onto the headlight, grab onto the electrical wire, and just wiggle that electrical wire until the light bulb comes out. Attaching this is the exact reverse process. With all 3 screws tight, let's put the top on. And that's how you replace a headlight in a '66 Ford Mustang. If you reach, I teach. So reach out what you want to learn next.